have you, okay?
Me?
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Look what I'm doing, Daddy. Don't like it mixed up.
Here they come, honey. Put some of them.
This is for their water. It's a watering can.
A watering can?
Yeah. Here comes one.
Those two.
There's a black one and a white one.
And now I have to just pat it down a little.
What are you,
like it.
what are you making?
I'm patting it so they will like it.
Okay.
I'm
Can I-
patting it down.
Can I put some over here?
Yeah.
You just got to throw it out on the ground like that. And they'll come out and get it. Yep, they're eating.
Here they come.
There they come.
I'm patting. Can I have some of the other
He
stuff?
dumped it all.
No, there's still some in it.
Oh, where is it?
Over there by Brian.
I call him Daddy.
Here they all come, Morgan. Look. They're a little bit afraid of you. They're afraid of you. They don't know you.
I'll tell them my name.
Okay.
My name is Morgan.
That'll help. That's funny. They don't know her.
I told them what my name is.
What'd they say?
Cluck, cluck.
Hear that one in there? That's the rooster.
I'm gonna get the rooster something. Right up there.
See that white one? See that big white one behind the tree? Over there, the big white one in the corner? That's a rooster.
I'm gonna sprinkle some right here.
All right.
So they know it's me.
Princess, don't eat that.
Let's both do it.
Don't eat that.
Where's Princess?
She's eating a dead worm.
Dead worm. You like dead worms?
No, I don't like to eat them. I don't like to eat cookies because they want to go in grass.
You think there's any worms out here in the grass?
Barney. Barney dog. Lucky! Lucky dog.
Princess is jealous of them too.
Oh, yeah.